Welcome to Adaptivation's training session on the randomizer. The randomizer is a voice output communication aid that plays messages in random order. Comes in 5 colors and runs on a 9-volt battery. Before we can begin recording, we're going to insert that battery. To do that, we have to first remove the battery lid with a screwdriver. We're going to turn it on, and then we're going to attach the battery. If we have a good battery, we're going to hear a series of tones or beeps. There we go, and that's all it takes. Now, the randomizer has 2 levels, but each level has a little different function. So when we record into level 1, we're going to call that our true random messaging mode. We will record a series of messages, and it's going to play them back in true random order, meaning that we just aren't sure what's going to happen next. It could repeat a message over and over, and it will just jump around randomly. In level 2, we have what's called the elimination mode. The elimination mode is the mode where we'll record in a series of messages. It will play each of them back in random order before it repeats one. So you have to decide what kind of random messaging you want before you record. I'm going to choose level 1. Each level has 90 seconds of record time. To record, we're going to use this slide switch. We have record 1 and record 2. I'm going to slide it to record 1 for that random messaging level. Then to record, we actually press and hold the lid, speak our message, and release after each message. 1, 2, 3. You can hear that prior to each message there was a beep. That just shows you that the device is ready to record that message. Now, to play back the messages, since I recorded in level 1, I'm going to slide that switch back to level play 1, and it will play those messages.
2, 1.
In random order. Now, the randomizer also has several other features I want to make you aware of. One is that we can attach an external switch
3, 1.
and play the messages via the external switch. This is good if you have a client who cannot activate from the device and we need to attach maybe a head switch or a puff and sip switch of some sort. But it's also good for just adding other things to the activity. So example, I can add a texture or an object to just give it more meaning and just more interesting to the user. We also have the ability to attach anything battery operated to our device. This is done via the relay. There's a jack that's marked relay. What we do then is we use a male-to-male cable connector. You plug one end into the device, the other end into our battery-operated toy. And now that battery-operated toy will run the length of every message.
1, 2.
We also have an external speaker jack. That is a jack where I can plug in any type of external speaker and give it more volume.
1.
This is a great feature for using in a noisy classroom, a work setting, or maybe during a program. This has been Adaptivation's training session on the randomizer. I hope you'll check out our website for some of our other training videos.